finally underway here at New Utrecht High School. It's a great touch there from Santiago. He brought it under control and trying to find Eustace out wide. He has control. Holding up play, tutting in for a shot. Finally, ball falls to Saba. Plays a great ball out to Alexander. Now he has space to run in behind. Keeper's well off his line. Put up pressure. FA still calling for foul. Still with Alexander. Opportunity at goal. Still with Saba. A little shimmy. Trying to find Eustace, but intercepted. That's a great ball forward to Alexander. Can he finish? Oh, great save. A wonderful save from the Boston Bolts keeper. Into Saba, great touch. Able to turn, has Eustace out wide, out wide left. He finds Eustace. Eustace has space to run into. Alexander in the middle. Dan at the top of the box. Can he pick out someone? Alexander! Oh, great passage of play from FA Euro during the closing stages of this first half. There's a ball over for Saba. Oh, foul. Might look like a foul. Saba looks still on the ground there. Santiago. Saba's back on his feet. Dimitro. Oh, it's a goal. And Dimitro gives FA Euro the lead. It's interesting. Saba seemed to be in an offside position, ducked as the ball was coming towards him. It may have confused the Boston Bolts keeper, but it is certainly an FA Euro lead here. Oh, opportunity. Oh, cleared off the line. Oh, opportunity for Boston. It's a great ball in behind. They have numbers. If you pick out a pass and a great save, it was right at FA Euro keeper Santiago. No foul there. Here comes Boston. Barely in on goal. Try to cut back and... Oh, just wide there from Boston. Saba under pressure. Able to find the goal scorer for FA Euro. Dimitro plays a great ball into Eustace. Eustace is in on goal. Can he finish? Tipped over. Eustace! Doubles the lead for FA Euro. It's Eustace Blackstock. And Dimitro, the right back, with a goal and assist now. With a great ball into Eustace, and Eustace had the composure. FA Euro double their lead here. It's 2-0. Elnerbeck with Saba. Saba's in on goal. Make it 3. Oh, he does! It's 3-0 to FA Euro. Saba, he's been at the heart of a lot of the FA Euro attack. Now Alexander, can he finish? Oh, cleared off the line. And finally in for Dan to make it 4-0 to FA Euro. It was great skill from Alexander to get the shot off. Cleared off the line, off the crossbar. And finally buried by Dan there. Just leaving Boston with no answers at all. But here they come, but there's a shot on goal. Oh! Great effort from Boston. Boston. And there it is. It ends with a victory for FA Euro with an emphatic lead of 4-0 over Boston Bolts.